Hello everybody, Boomba Racing here with our Subaru WRX STI bypass valve. This bypass valve is designed to work on all 2004 and up WRX STIs. The Boomba Racing bypass valve is precision CNC machined from billet aluminum and engineered for leak-free operation while delivering consistent boost pressure. Our billet bypass valve features a robust brass piston design engineered to deliver consistent boost control even under the most demanding conditions. We have pressure tested our bypass valve to over 70 psi with absolutely zero leaks. This holds much more boost pressure compared to the stock STI bypass valve, which is known to start leaking around 20 to 22 psi. So for high boost builds, our bypass valve is a must-have upgrade. This bypass valve is 100% recirculating and a direct replacement for the stock unit, so it's super easy to install, and since it operates just like the stock unit, no tune is needed after installation. The build quality and design of our bypass valve is far superior to anything else we have seen on the market. You can find product reviews for the STI bypass valve on our website and read about real-life impressions from our customers. You can get our bypass valve in 4 different colors: blue, black, natural, and red. Like all Boomba Racing products, our STI bypass valve is made in the USA at our own CNC machining facility and backed by a lifetime warranty. Upgrade your STI and get yours today at boombaracing.com.